Have a look at this. I've never seen this before. This bearded dragon that likes to hang out in my yard today is chasing the birds. It's kind of like it's playing with them, like it's been doing this for ages. I don't know if it's just being territorial or if it's actually playing with them. And the birds just keep flying back down, like they're not even bothered, but this guy's on a mission. Look at him go! He's so cute. And he keeps doing this weird thing with his hands where he just keeps lifting his arms up like he's trying to be super stealthy. So cute. Oh, he's going for these ones now. Look out, birdies. He's so cute. Oh, look out, birdie. This is so entertaining. Looking out my kitchen window, just seeing this lizard chasing birds. Look out, birdies, he's coming. He's trying to be sneaky. He's gonna get you. So cute. There's that arm thing again. The birds just don't even care, really. Let's go. Woo!